for these 2 days, be totally an individual, physically and mentally. Now for these 2 days, you are individual. So put your whole effort, only then you will be able to see the ultimate, see the maximum from this. So it's going to be more like a path of mystery. It's going to be more like a alchemy of spirituality. In ASP, even if you don't practice much, okay, alright, but it is not going to be like this here. After any meditation, the few can be sent out. It is not that I hate you. If you don't put your effort, the next meditation, the whole group cannot enter. You see, it is like a fire. If you are a wood, you will also catch fire at the temperature. If you are a banana tree, not only you will not burn, you will reduce the temperature. Then the whole group will suffer. It is going to be more like a working as a total energy. I am just going to guide the whole group, the whole energy level to the higher level. It is going to give you the glimpse of eternal bliss. You see, you had the glimpse in ASP, but after a few days, slowly started coming down. But I wanted to give you some glimpse which can never become dull. Ramakrishna says, if it is a brass vessel, how much you wash it, only one day it will be bright, next day it's out. If it is a gold vessel, every day it will be, always it will be just continuously shining. So I wanted to give you the touch of philosopher's stone. Philosopher's stone means you understand. If that stone touches, then everything will become gold. So it is going to be more like a intense meditation or the intense energetic sessions. So put your whole effort, no reservations. If any of you are here out of curiosity, oh, what this Swami teaches, let me go and see. Please leave the hall. This is not the place. For curiosity, you can attend ASP, no problem. But this is not for curious crowd. This is only for the crowd who really wants to have the experience, taste. In ASP, I am not able to give experience to so many persons. Experience means the higher levels of spiritual experience, because the techniques are very soft. More than that, people won't be able to do. You understand? More than that, people won't be able to do. But this is not going to be like that. That is the reason I selected, I filtered enough. So I trust you. That is why I give you the higher and higher levels of meditations and higher levels of experiences. So every one of you take a deep oath. I will put my whole effort. I will not collect tales or carry tales. I will not go and speak outside ill of others or even think ill of others. So when you leave this hall tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, forget the other stories, carry only your stories. When you remember your story, you will make history. When you remember other stories, you will only just be an ordinary person. So these are the few things I want you to understand. Close your eyes and take the deep conscious oath. Decide consciously you are here only to experience Ananda. Close your eyes. You are here only to experience the bliss. You are here only to experience the joy. You are not here to collect the stories about others, to collect the information about others, to pass judgments about others, to judge other beings. So decide you will not judge. You will not have prejudice about anybody after this program. At any moment, you will not speak ill of others by the information which you are getting from here. You will not even think ill or wrong about others based on these informations. You give your promise to keep others' privacy, and you will not use any way you will not exploit any others in any way based on these informations. Tell your mind with full effort, I will obey this rule, I will obey this guidance. Thank you. You can open your eyes. Now every one of you are decided. You are going to respect the privacy of others. Now each one of you can trust others. Each one of you can trust others. So every one of you have decided. So now you work on your mind. Now you can trust others. Don't have any resistance or any fear or any problem to open up and ask any question, because I will be guiding you in various steps through your desires, guilt, depression. So many lines we will be traveling. So wherever you feel you have some issues, you are stuck, you can always express. So just be open, fresh, just like a child. A small story. A Zen master was living in Japan. The governor of Japan has gone to see him. His name is Kitakaki. The man sent his visiting card. I think you must have heard this story. The man sent his visiting card to the master through his disciple. The card reads, Kitakaki, Governor of Japan. When the card reached the master, he said, this idiot can't learn Zen, send him out. When the card has come back to the king with the same words, master said, like you idiots can't learn Zen. See, the enlightened people, they don't speak a polished language. They are very truthful, straight. Sometimes even it looks like a harsh, but no other way. Truth always hurts. He said, the disciple said, my master said, idiots like you can't learn Zen. Please leave the hall. But the king understood the whole thing. He took a pencil and erased the word, removed the word, governor of Japan, and told the disciple, please now you carry this card and give it to him. The disciple carried the card and it has been handed over to the Guru. The master said, oh, the Kitakaki has come, please bring him in. The story means, just leave your head outside. Not only your power, prestige, name and fame, idea of your age, idea you are elder, you are younger, you are male, you are female, forget everything just for 2 days, then you will be able to travel with me more quickly. You are just a being. You are just a being. Don't think I am elder. He should have respected me. She should have respected me. And these and that. Drop all these small issues. Don't have any of these small things. Just become matured. Just become matured. When I say the word matured, I tell you, don't bother about anything else. Whether the food has come in the right time, or whether the room key has come in the proper time, or in my room the hot water is not coming, or I have left my cell phone, it has disappeared. Don't bother about all these things. Don't bother about the small things just for this next 2 days. Nothing is going to come with you. I tell you, you understand one this small thing. Of course, now because you are the committed group, master is like a pregnant mother. He is just waiting where he can deliver. He is a pregnant mother. He is just carrying the load of enlightenment. He is waiting to share with the people. So I wanted a right place, right persons on whom I can unload myself. I can share myself. So this is totally a different angle. I can say it's totally a different dimension. From totally different dimension you are going to work. It's more like a, that's what I said now, money back guarantee. I wanted every one of you to taste the glimpse, to taste the bliss which is beyond body, beyond mind, before tomorrow evening. It's not that only you wanted to have experience, even I wanted to unload, even I wanted to share. Whenever every master happens to this earth, it's like a weight on them. The energy is just like a weight on them. It just searches for the right persons who will share it, who will have it, who will enjoy that bliss. You do not know. When a man becomes enlightened, you all will be thinking, oh, he is free from all the bondages. He has become free man, free being. Don't think. The responsibility with enlightenment is not a small thing. The responsibility which comes to you with enlightenment is not a small thing. It is the greatest responsibility. Of course, you have a greatest freedom, that is different. But the greatest responsibility. So now, let you all be very clear. You are ready for the process. Ready for the next steps. Drop all these small silly things. Don't have anything. I am very direct because I know that you are my people. Because I trust you are my people. You know, in the ashram, there is a group of people who do the 1 year course, and there is a group who are inmates. From the 1 year course, the person when he is found is qualified, he will be taken as an inmate. Whenever I fire somebody, he is accepted as an inmate. That is the initiation. When somebody is addressed in a singular, then that person is so overwhelmed. He feels that he has achieved the goal because he is accepted as an inmate. Only when I find the people are close, direct, I speak to you directly. None of you come for honeymoon. All of us have come here to taste the bliss, to taste the joy. So please don't expect anything, try to live with the maximum, with the minimum thing. Of course, they have done enough of arrangements. Try to be more and more loving, try to be more and more open. These 2 days just enjoy a different atmosphere. None of them, nobody has come here to exploit you. The same way, don't have a big self-defensive mechanism around you. There is no need to defend yourself. Nobody has come here to exploit others. Everybody has come here to taste the joy, taste the bliss. Drop your defensive mechanism and don't enter into others' territory. Understand this both. Drop your defensive mechanism, don't enter into others' territory. When you drop the idea of entering into others' territory, only then he can drop his defensive mechanism. So both are just interrelated. When you drop both, only then you will be able to really experience the taste or the joy of meditation. So it is going to be more like a commitment, a total commitment. The commitment in the group level. Individual commitment is perfectly alright. But when you go in a deeper and deeper level, it's going to be more like a commitment in the group level.